Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to draw a ship in Paint 3D. So if you want to do it, first we need to go to 2D shapes, and after that I need to select here square. Then I draw here a simple rectangle, maybe something like that. And after that we need to change the fill from white to black, so I select it. I will resize this shape maybe to this one, and after that I click somewhere outside this rectangle. Now I need to insert here a simple triangle, so I select here right triangle and I insert it somewhere here. Then I need to copy it. I use shortcut Ctrl C to do it, and I need to flip this triangle vertically. I will change position maybe to this one. You need to do it with high precision. And after that I need to click Ctrl V to insert another triangle. I change position of it somewhere here. I need to flip it horizontally and I need to flip it vertically. And of course I need to change position of it again, maybe to this one. I click somewhere outside the shape. Okay, so it looks really great. Now I need to insert here another rectangle, so I click on square and I draw it somewhere here. It will look something like that. I click commit here and it has been successfully inserted. Now I click on square again and I will add here a window, maybe something like that. So I insert it and I change fill maybe to white, and I will resize this rectangle to this one or maybe to this one. Okay, and now I click commit, press to apply, and I need to add here a circle, so I select here circle, I press and hold shift and I draw it somewhere here. Okay, so it will looks really great. I change position of it somewhere here. I use shortcut Ctrl C to copy it. I click somewhere outside and I click Ctrl V to paste it. Now I change position of this window maybe somewhere here. I need to click again outside the shapes and again I use Ctrl V to paste it. I change position of this window and I will repeat this action few more times. So how you see, it looks really great now. I will add here maybe a few more windows, and when I will finish it we will add a chimney. Okay, so maybe one more window here, and how you see it looks really great. Now we need to add here a chimney, so I select here square and I will insert it somewhere here. Now I choose the fill, so I click on white color and I select here black. I will resize this chimney to this one and I click on this icon to insert it. Now I select all ship and I change position of it somewhere here. Now I go to brushes, I select this one marker and I will set here color to black and I draw something here and maybe here and maybe here. Okay, so in this way we have successfully created a ship in Paint 3D. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this video and subscribe my channel, and please let me know in comment if it was useful for you.